Here's how to easily crop PDF or PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat. Open the PDF in your Adobe Acrobat and in this right-hand menu select Edit PDF. And here select Crop Pages. And now simply crop the PDF page just like so. Once you've selected your area, now double click inside of the selected area and the set page boxes will open. Also here you can add margins to top, bottom, left or right just like so. And now to apply, click on OK and the PDF specific page will be cropped just like so. And if you want, you can also crop another page. Select the area, double click on the selected area and click on OK and the specific page will be cropped. Now it's time to export the changed or cropped PDF. So go to File and click on Save As and save the PDF.